Hello friends, welcome in today's lecture. Today we will start our second chapter, that is swings. This chapter having 10 marks. First see the content of the swing chapter. In swing, total 5 points is there. First point 2.1 Introduction to swing. In that we will see swing features, difference between the AWT and swing. Second point is swing components. In that we will see J-applet, J-icon and labels, text field and combo box. The third point is buttons. In that we will see the J button, checkbox and radio buttons. The fourth point is advanced swing components. In that we will study about tabbed pan, scroll pan, tree, tables, progress bar and tooltips. And the last point of the chapter is MVC architecture. Now in this lecture we will see first point, that is 2.1 Introduction to swing, and in that we will see the features of swing, also the difference between the AWT and swing. First see Introduction to the swing. Java Swing is a part of Java Foundation classes JFC that is used to create a window-based application. It is built on the top of AWT API and entirely written in the Java programming. Means Swing is a part of Java Foundation classes that is used to create a window-based application, and it is entirely written into the Java. Unlike the AWT, Java Swing provides platform independent and lightweight components. Means Swing is a platform independent and lightweight component, but AWT it is a platform dependent and it is a heavy component. Swing is a most flexible and robust approach. The Java X.Swing package provides classes for the Java Swing API. For the Swing API, Java X.Swing package is used in the programming. In AWT, we use the package import java.awt.star. But for the Swing API, Java X.Swing package is used. In Swing, classes that represent GUI, that is graphical user interface components, have names begins with the letter J, such as J button, J text field, J text area, J radio button, J checkbox, J menu and J combo box, etc. Means in that Swing, the classes that represent the GUI components, names begin with the letter J. Next, see the Swing packages. Swing is a very large subsystem and makes use of many packages. These are the packages used by the Swing that are given below. See this table having the Swing packages. All these are the Swing packages. The main package is Java X.Swing and Java X.Swing.Event. These two packages are repeatedly used. Also Java X.Swing.Tree, Java X.Swing.Border, it is also useful, and these all are the packages of the Swing. The next point is limitations of the AWT over the Swing. There are 4 limitations of the AWT that will be overcome into the Swing. First limitation is AWT supports limited number of GUI components. Means only limited components is in the AWT, but in the Swing support the more powerful components. Second limitation is the components defined by the AWT are heavy weighted components. The third limitation is the AWT components are developed by using the platform specific code. Means AWT support the platform dependent. And fourth limitation of AWT is the AWT component is covered by the native code of the operating system. These four are the limitations of the AWT, and this limitation is overcome into the Swing. Next, see the features of the Swing. First feature is platform independent. Swing, it is a platform independent, means the Swing components that are used to build the program are not platform specific. It can be used at any platform and anywhere. Means all the Swing components are used to build the program, and that program is run on any platform and anywhere. So Swing is a platform independent. Second feature is lightweight components. Most Swing components are lightweight. That means the components are not dependent on a native pair of render themselves. Instead, they use simplified graphic primitives to paint themselves on the screen and can even allow portion to be transparent. So, second feature is lightweight component. The third feature of Swing is pluggable look and feel. It has a powerful component that can be used to provide support for the user interface that helps in good look and feel to the application. Means Swing support the several look and feels. Swing allows the user to switch look and feel at runtime without closing the current application. To set the appearance of the applets and applications to one of the three standard looks. First is Windows, second Motif, that is Unix, and third Metal, that is standard Swing look. These three are the standard looks. The fourth Swing feature is MVC. MVC is nothing but Model View Controller. Swing mainly follows the concept of MVC, that is Model View Controller. With the help of MVC, we can do the changes in the one component without impacting or touching the other component. It is also known as a loosely coupled architecture. Means MVC, Swing supports the MVC, and with the help of MVC, you can do any changes in one component without impacting or touching the other component. These four are the Swing features. Now next see some additional features of the Swing. Several other features distinguish Swing from the older AWT components. First feature is a wide variety of new components such as table, tree, slider, progress bar, internal frame, and text components. These are the additional components in the Swings. So Swing support some additional and new components like table, tree, slider, progress bar, internal frame, and text components. Second feature is Swing components contain support for replacing their inset with an arbitrary number of concentric borders. Means in the Swing, every component having a border. The third feature is Swing components can have tooltip placed over them. Means in Swing components have a tooltip placed over them. A tooltip is a textual pop-up that momentarily appears when the mouse cursor resets the inside of the component painting region. Tooltip can be used to give more information about the component. So Swing support the tooltip component. Fourth feature is there are additional debugging support for the rendering your own lightweight swing components. These four are the additional features of the swing. The next point is difference between the AWT and swing. So see the difference between the AWT and swing. First difference is AWT component are platform dependent and Java Swing component are platform independent. Means AWT supports the platform dependent. Any program in the AWT run a specific platform, but in Swing the program run on any platform and anywhere. This is the first difference. Second difference is AWT does not follow MVC, that is Model View Controller, but Swing follows the MVC. The third difference is AWT having lesser components but Swing having more powerful components. Means AWT supports the limited components but Swing support more components as compared to the AWT, like table, tree, progress bar, tabbed pan, scroll pan, etc. The fourth difference is AWT does not support pluggable look and feel, but Swing support the pluggable look and feel. Fifth difference is AWT components are heavyweight and Swing components are lightweight. Sixth difference is AWT components need the java.awt package, and for the Swing component in Java need javax.swing package. The seventh difference is AWT components require and occupy large memory space, but Swing components do not occupy as much memory space compared to the AWT component. Means AWT require the large memory space, but Swing component do not require large memory space as compared to the AWT component.